Hello students, in this video we have discussed probability index method, that is a method of or simple techniques of capital budgeting. I am Dr. Hari Prapan Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Management, GLA University Mathura. Discuss probability index techniques. If we talk about the probability index, it is just like the technique of NPV. That's a previous video we have discussed this technique, net present value. Is a conceptually sound method of appraising investment projects. It is variation of the NPV method and required the same computation as the NPV method, just like a time value. It recognizes the time value of money. Value maximization is also reason behind that it is a consistent with the shareholders value maximization principle. A project with probability index greater than 1 will have positive NPV, and if accepted it will increase the shareholders wealth, and it is also relatively profitability. Reason behind that, since the present value of cash inflow is divided by the initial cash outflow, it is relatively measure of a project probability. A probability index is simply, if we talk about the calculation, is ratio of present value of the cash inflow at the required rate of return, that is a discounting rate also, to the initial cash outflow of the investment. This is our formula: present value of cash inflows upon initial cash outflows. If we talk about present value of cash inflow, that is our GPV, gross present value, and if we go to the net present value calculation, net present value of cash inflow, that is a net profitability index. Here is two things also. If we go to the probability index, then gross present value upon initial cash outflow, or if we go about the NPI, net present index, then NPV of cash inflows upon initial cash outflow. Now discuss this by one numerical. The initial cash outlay of a project is rupees 50,000 and it generates the cash inflows of rupees 20,000 first year, second year 15,000, 25 third year, and 10,000 in a fourth year. Using present value of index method, appraising profitability of the proposed investment, assuming 10% of discounting rate. In this numerical, our discounting rate is a 10%. Our initial cash outflow is 50,000, or we can say that is our investment amount, and these 4 years our cash inflows. Now we calculate right table. First column our year column, second cash inflow, third column present value factor, at the rate 10%, and that is our present value. Present value is simply calculation of column 2 into 3. Now first year cash inflow is 20,000. In a previous video we have also discussed how we calculate present value factor. It is given in your numerical, or you self calculate it yourself. 1 upon 1 plus k की पावर 1 2 3 4 मीन्स हाउ मेनी ईयर, जिस ईयर में आपको निकालना इन सेम ईयर की पावर आप वहां रख देंगे। तो इन केस ऑफ फर्स्ट ईयर 1 अपॉन 1 प्लस के पावर 1, तो सिंपल 1, 1 अपॉन 1.1 and that calculated is 0.909. Now multiply 0.909 into 20,000, 18,180. In case of second year 15,000. Here 1 upon 1.1 की power 2. Calculation is 0.826. 1 upon 1.21. So 0.826 and calculation is 12,390. In case of third year 25,000. 0.751. Calculation 18,775. Fourth year 10,000. 0.683. 6,830. Now we calculated our GPV, that is called gross present value. Gross present value, just adding, that is 56,175. Now goes to the calculation of probability index, PI. PI equal to GPV upon initial investment so in this case our GPV is 56,175 divided initial investment is 50,000 equal to 1.1235. That is our probability index. If we goes to the NPI, net probability index, in this case GPV instead of so our GPV is 56,175 deducted 50,000 equal to 6,175. 75 rupees. So we just put the values. 6,175 upon initial investment is 50,000 and our value is NPI is 0.1235. Okay. This is our values. Now we discuss its acceptance rule also. If we talk about the acceptance rule of probability index or NPI, in case of probability index, the accept the project when PI is probability index is greater than 1, then we accept the project. If our probability index is less than 1, then we reject the project, or maybe accept the project when PI is equal to 1. The project with positive NPV will have PI greater than 1, and PI less than means the project's NPV is also negative, so we reject this particular project. If simply we want to ranking of mutually exclusive, what is the higher rate of our NPV? Thank you to all of you. Listen carefully this video. If you have any doubt, then please discuss in a class. Thank you once again.